2025 is going to be a big year for AI voice agents. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm highly positive about this technology and how fast it's evolving. And that's why I think it's gonna really be a game changer this year, and a lot of businesses are going to start adopting this. And what really makes useful this technology is the ability to integrate functions with your knowledge base. So that means you have a bot which is replying to questions, but at the same time, it can execute functions such as schedule appointments, send emails, or many other things. And in this video, I want to show you how you can integrate a function with your bot in Retell AI so you can fetch dynamic data. Okay, so here we have a blank scenario in make.com. This is the one that we are going to be using to do the function. And also we've opened a new single prompt agent, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. We are just going to be calling the function, and then you will see how it works. So for the prompt, you're going to be saying something like you are an AI voice agent for a test. Your only mission is to fetch the date of today by using function get date. So this is how you're gonna be calling the function. Now we come here and we do a constant function. It's gonna be called get date. This is how we define. It should trigger when caller ask for today's date. Then we put here the webhook that we are going to be using because we need to pass the URL. And we are going to be using this simple one. We create one, it's going to be called test for Retell AI. We copy this direction here, copy address to clipboard, and we just simply put it here. You put the timeout, 120,000 milliseconds is fine. If you want, you can speak during execution. We say something like, hold a moment, I'm checking this for you. Then we click save. So now we have that. Then when we call the function, it's gonna be using this thing. We don't even need actually let's just put it directly in the, well, let's see, just for purpose of testing, and then we just put it in the today. We use the format date function to get it however we want. We put now, as of now, and then we put the format. So we are gonna say the month, let's say 3. So let's say D for day, then we put M, and then we put the year. And if we run this quickly, 1 second, I don't want it like that, I want in wording, then we get 13th of February of 2025. So you can see this is the date today. So we just simply get this, we put a webhook response, we say success for the button has been successful, and we say today's date is, and that's it. We don't need this in order for the sake of saving operations, and that's it. Then what we can do is we test it, and then we see how it works. So for you to see that actually this is working, I'm going to open this side by side, and then you can see, I don't need this, we can see it's being executed. So let's call the agent here, and you will see it will tell me the date. It should say 13th of February of 2025. Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Could you tell me what day is today? So, it was okay. As you can see, it was successfully executed. This is a super duppy basic function, but you get the idea that the power here is that based on your prompting, you can ask the bot to perform certain things, right? So in this case, I was just asking for the date, but you can do like really a lot of things like uh, check if there's like a free slot on my calendar. If that slot is free, book it. Otherwise, propose a new time or send an email or connect to your CRM, fetch all the data from the caller by an email ID or by a phone number or whatever. There's like gazillions use cases you can have for this. It's just about being creative, understanding what really the needs for the customer is, and you can really create monsters that are super helpful. And I guarantee if you go to a customer with a demo like this, which is like scraping the website from the customer, answering based on some questions, and then you integrate like to send one, two, three emails, then the customer is going to be amazed by the technology because not even 1% of the people right now know what's possible with this kind of technology, and it's going to be very easy to sell these kind of projects. So I hope you like it. I hope you can apply this in your business, and yeah, let me know what you think.